Dr.Y.Sujatha Reddy, Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department. Now we can discuss about projections of solid inclined to both planes, horizontal plane and vertical plane. And have three stages: stage 1 and stage 2, stage 3. Stage 1 is the initial position. Stage 2 is plane axis is inclined to HP. Stage 3 is axis is inclined to VP. Now we discuss solid square prism. Solid square prism. Note down the problem. A square prism of base edge 35 mm and axis 60 mm is resting on an edge of its base on the HP, and the axis inclined at 45 degrees to HP. If the edge resting on the HP is inclined at 30 degrees to VP, draw its projections. Okay, in this problem, what is the given data here? Given data is a square prism. Square prism is base edge 35 mm and axis 60 mm. Axis 60 mm. Here you observe, this is a square prism. This is a square prism. This square prism has edge is 35 mm and axis is 60 mm. And axis is 60 mm resting on the edge of its base on HP. This is first stage is the resting on edge of its base on HP. This is the simple position, first stage. Second stage, the axis is inclined at 45 degrees to the HP. And third stage is if the edge resting on HP, it is inclined at 30 degrees to the VP. Draw its projections. Okay. This is the given data. Here you observe square prism, edge 35, axis, and stage 1, edge of its base on HP, on the HP. And stage 2, the axis is inclined at 45 degrees to the HP. Stage 3, the edge resting on the HP, inclined at 30 degrees to the VP. This is the given data. Next, you observe the here. And next, first we draw the one reference line, that is XY. And then after, with the help of the scale, we draw the 35 mm one side distance, 35 mm side distance square. 35 mm side distance, we draw the four sides are equal square. In this way we draw the square. Now you extend the lines 1A to A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. These are the points of square. Now you extend the A to reference line and D to reference line. Axis distance is 60 mm. Axis distance is the 60 mm. Then you draw the now on the HP. Base on resting on HP. That's why no need to distance here. We maintain. That is the resting on HP. That's why on the reference line, this is the axis length is the 60 mm. Axis length is the 60 mm. Okay. Now you identify the names A dash, B dash, C dash and D dash. Okay. Here A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, K dash, B dash, C dash, D dash also. Here we identify the center axis distance also. 35 mm, that is the axis distance here. Stage 1, this is the stage 1. Next we need to draw the stage 2. That is the stage 2. Stage 2 is axis is inclined to 45 degrees to the HP. So axis distance is actually 60 mm. So here on the reference line, this is the axis distance. This axis distance is the, in this way, 60, 45 mm and 60 mm is the length. Okay. With the help of the protractor, you identify the, with the help of the protractor, you identify the 45. 45 is the, 45 is the distance. 45 is the angle. With the help of the protractor, 45 is the angle. Okay. Next, That is how much is the distance is front view distance here. Okay, A dash to B dash, C dash to D dash. What is the distance is there? That distance in this way here you draw the with the help of the scale. A dash, B dash and C dash, D dash. Okay, now you identify the midpoint and then axis length is a 60. Axis length is a 60. Okay, this is the length is 60. You observe the here with the help of the scale, that is a 60, and then you join the top two lines. You join the top two lines. Join the top two lines, and next you identify the midpoint of the axis here with the help of the compass. You measure the front view of the distance, that is the axis. O is the center point, O dash is the axis. Okay, that line is axis line. That line is axis line. In this way you draw, and next you identify the points. Now you extend the lines. Inclination front view to first stage top view. First stage top view lines and inclination front view lines. Now extend the lines in this way with the help of the scale. Okay. Inclination front view to below reference line. First stage top view to that. Where intersect that lines, you identify the points A, B, C, D. Okay. Next. That is the axis point, center point. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you join the all points with the help of the scale here. Now you join in this way. Okay. Okay. Here, okay, this is the second stage. Second stage, axis is inclined to HP. Next, third stage. Third stage is the edge resting on the HP is inclined at 30 degrees to the VP. The edge resting on the HP is inclined at 30 degrees to the VP. Inclination VP to we draw the below the reference line. Okay. Now, the second stage top view. Second stage top view, it tilt to the 30 degrees. Okay, here in this way with the help of the protractor, 30 degrees. That is the 30 degrees. You draw the one line. Left side or right side at the both sides. Wherever you feel comfort, that side you measure the 30 degrees. Okay. Both sides is the same. 30 degrees in this way. And with the help of the compass, you measure the distance. That is the distance here. Each point. Second stage top view, same side distance. Here, second stage top view, A dash, A to D, D to A to D. What is the distance is there A to D? In this way you measure and you draw the arcs. Here also. Okay. That is the A point. And B to C. They measure the diagonal No need. You may just write horizontal also. Okay, here in this way, B to C, B to C, and next. Okay, same, how much is the distance is same both sides here. So one side is completed, and then you join the 2 points. Next here also same. Actually, second stage top view they tilt in this way. This is a horizontal, and vertical also same. This is the axis line here. This is the axis line. In this way also this axis line is drawn on the 30 degrees. Okay. This is your measure. You draw the square boxes, and then you extend the lines now above reference line. You extend the lines to this third stage top view to reference line. And now second stage front view, you draw the lines in this way. Okay, here you identify the points. In this way same, this is the top point here, top side. Okay, 3D boxes, solid boxes here visible. 3D square prism, 3D square prism. Here this sides also we join here. It visible the 3D square side in this way. Okay, now you join the line. That is the 3D square boxes. In this way, a solid square prism axis is inclined to both the horizontal plane and vertical plane. Okay. Now you observe axis is inclined to 30 degrees to VP. In that problem, they are taken the axis is horizontal. In this method also, okay, axis is with the help of the protector, you take the 30 degrees in this way. Draw the line. That is the 30 degrees. Whatever the second stage top view, this top view is measure the length now. How much is the length? With the help of the scale, you measure horizontal distance and vertical distance. Here, this is the midpoint, vertical distance in this way. Okay, now that is the width. Now axis. That is the horizontal distance. 6. With the help of the scale, you measure. And now you identify the point. draw the line with the help of the scale. Now you join other side also here. Okay. Points are there. Second stage top view. What are the points are there here? Second stage top view. Same this view also we identified here now. Okay. This is the third stage. Angle in 30 degrees inclination to VP. Now you extend the lines. Okay, in this way you extend the lines above reference line. At the same time, so identify the points. What are the points are there? Okay, this is the final view of the first stage, second stage, and third stage. Third stage inclined to VP. Okay, next problem. Now we discuss second problem. A pentagonal prism of base 30 mm and height 60 mm rests on the one of its base side on the HP inclined at 30 degrees to the VP. Its axis is inclined at 45 degrees to the HP. Draw its projections. This is the problem. In this problem, what is the given data here? Pentagonal prism of base side is 30 mm, height 60 mm. Next, first position, base sides rest on the HP. Base side is inclined at 30 degrees to VP. Rest on the HP, inclined at 30 degrees to the VP. The axis is inclined at 45 degrees on the HP. The axis is inclined at 45 degrees on the HP. Draw its projections. Okay. First simple. Here you observe this is the pentagonal prism. This pentagonal prism of base side 30 mm. This base side is the 30 mm and the height. This axis. Height means axis distance or length of the axis is 60 mm. First we draw the one reference line. Then pentagon. Pentagon base side is the 30 mm and the axis base side 30 mm. You draw that directly any polygon method. Okay. This 72 angle. Here also left side also 72 angle. Then you identify the midpoint, one side distance, that is the 30 mm means 15 is the midpoint. 15 is the midpoint. Then you draw the one line. Here this is the center, this distance 30 mm distance. This center you draw the one arc, this center you draw the one arc. Where intersect, that is the center point. Okay, this center point you draw the one horizontal line. On each side you identify the points A, B, C, D, E. Okay. Now you identify the center distance, that is the O axis in this way. Midpoint, where it meet one point, that is called as the axis. This midpoint, this side midpoint and this side midpoint, it meet at one point. This point is called as the axis point. This axis point you draw the one vertical line, reference line. Okay. Here in this way you extend the lines each side. Three sides are there, meet at above reference line and center axis point is there. That axis point also 4th point. And you draw the axis line also with the help of the scale. With the help of the scale here. In this way, axis length is 60 mm. You draw the vertical lines with the help of the scale. That 60 mm length, and you join the, that is the front view of the pentagonal prism. Now, pentagonal prism axis is inclined at HP 45 degrees. Okay, this is the axis. And parallel to 90 degrees, this is the 90 degrees here with the help of the protector. This is the 90 degrees. You draw the length A dash to C dash. How much length is there? Same length here also. Front view A dash, C dash length. Here same length also with the help of the compass. You measure and you draw the arc. Okay. That is C A dash. Okay. Now you identify the point lines, axis distance, same side distance. Okay, B dash, E dash, and next axis, that is the center. That is the center. That is the axis line. That line, this line identifies the axis line, not continue. Okay, axis length is 60 mm. So you identify the points. Same here, whatever the points is there, this front view, inclination front view also. Okay, now with the help of the scale, you extend the lines below the reference line in this way. Okay, now pentagon, first simple stage 1, top view pentagon also. In this way we identify the points here are lines. Okay, with the help of the scale. Okay, these are the lines where you identify the points. First point, that is the A. Next, this line B, this line E, and C, D, E. Okay, in this way you identify the points. Then that is the axis O. Next, one more side also same, other side also same procedure. You identify the points 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that is the O1. Now with the help of the scale you join the all points. Inclination, top view pentagons are visible here. With the help of the scale you draw here in this way. A to B, A to B, B to C, That is the total view. Okay. We draw the first outline. Two pentagons. Join the common lines here. Okay. Now A to E. Here now A to B, B to C. Here A to B. 5 to 1. 1 to 2. That is backside pentagon. Next. Okay. First you join in this way points here. Hidden sides. B to C, C to D, D to E. Okay. This is the second stage inclined to HP. Second stage of pentagonal prism. Now this second stage pentagonal prism, we need to draw the second stage top view. We need to draw the third stage inclined to 30 degrees to VP. Okay. 30 degrees to VP. 30 degrees to VP. This below the reference line, inclination is VP. That's why below the reference line you take the 30 degrees with the help of the protector. With the help of the protector. In this way, with the help of the protector, 30 degrees, you draw the one line. Okay. Same then, here, if in case you feel the tough to draw this type of pentagon prism here, axis inclination, first you take the total length of the box here, horizontal line, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the total box. Then after total box you draw here axis distance. Then you draw identify what are the points is there, this top view. Here also that points also you identified, same here. Okay. They are taken the axis line is horizontal, but we are taken here axis line is vertical also. Same are both methods are the same. Axis line is, this is the horizontal. That's why in this way shows the two types of pentagons here. But in case axis line is the vertical also here. So this length is in the inclination to 30 degrees line. Axis line is the 60 degrees you take here, whatever the distance is there, same. This is the inclination pentagon. Now you extend these lines also, reference line above the reference line with the help of the scale. Here wherever the points is there, same. Okay. In this way you extend here. Same. Second stage front view also you extend the lines. And you identify the points here. Okay. What are the points are there to intersect? Same here also you identify the points. Same previous problem like here. In this way you visible the 3D pentagonal prism here, total 3D pentagonal prism. You identify the points, each point you draw here. Okay. This is the pentagonal prism inclined to both planes. Next problem. A pentagonal pyramid of base. Now These are the examples of pyramid. Previous two problems are the prisms. Now pyramid we discuss. A pentagonal pyramid of base 30 mm side distance and axis is 60 mm rest on a corner of one of its base on the HP such that its apex is 55 mm above the ground. Apex means axis distance is the 55 mm above the ground. Vertical plane containing the corner of the base that lies on the HP and its axis is inclined at 30 degrees to VP. Draw its projections. Okay, this is the pentagonal pyramid. This is the pentagonal pyramid. You observe that here in this problem, the object is the pentagonal. Here, you observe first we draw the one reference line, pentagonal pyramid. In this way, you draw the pentagonal pyramid. Okay. Then, this is the side of one corner, rest on HP. Okay, first simple position, first stage. This is the top view. Pentagon side of corner resting on HP. That's why top view we draw the first front. Then we extend the points here, top view to reference line, that is the A to B to A and C to E and D. Okay. First we identify the here pentagon midpoint, that is the center. We need to find out the center point, that is the O. O we extend that is the axis points here. Okay, in this way we draw. This is the axis point. So now you extend the each corner sides on reference line. That is the front view of pentagon sides. Axis distance is 50 mm. Axis is the 50 mm. In this way, you join the apex O to each point, that is slant edges, pentagon, pyramid. That's why slant sides are there. That is a pyramid. You observe the here. Then next position, this side O to D dash, O dash to D dash, or O dash to A dash B dash. This is the one side. Okay, first slant side, either left or right, wherever you draw the on the reference line one side, O dash to A dash B dash, and A dash to B dash. You take the distance here with the help of the compass. With the help of the compass, A dash to D dash, A dash to D dash. You take with the help of the compass and you draw the one arc here. And same slant side distance or axis length is the 50 mm. Then here O to you draw the arc. O to you draw the one arc, that is the D distance. Okay. Then now you join, that is the second stage front view. Second stage front view. Here in this way you draw the identify the what are the points are there. Same here also. Then now you extend the lines. Now you extend the lines and front view to first stage, simple stage, top view also you extend in this way. Okay. Now you identify the every corner points, that is the D, E. Okay. Here, what are the points are there? You observe A dash, B dash. That is the A and B. Same points here in this way. What are the points are there? Now you join with the help of the scale. Now you join with the help of the scale. With the help of the scale here. You join. Next, these are the hidden sides. That's why we need to draw the dotted lines. Next, axis inclined to VP, that is a 45 degrees here. Axis is inclined to 45 degrees here. This you need to draw the box sides one side. This is the one side of the box. Okay. Now wherever the points are there here, this is the O point, wherever the midpoint in this side, and next A dash B dash. Now you identify the points here. What are the points are there? Same points here also. And you draw the pentagon in this way. Okay, now extend the reference line here, and this side here also. Second stage front view to third stage top view to you draw the these lines. Okay, here you identify the these sides here, C dash and B dash, D dash, A dash, E dash. O point is here. O is the, this is the O. O is here. Okay, this point is the O. In this way, now you join the all the points. Now you join the all the points here. That is the pentagonal pyramid. Okay, hexagonal pyramid. This is the hexagonal pyramid. Draw the hexagonal side of length 40 mm and parallel to XY line. Below the line, it's some suitable distance. Okay, this is the hexagonal distance, and you extend the lines above the reference line in this way. This is the hexagon. That is the axis distance. Okay. Same previous pentagonal pyramid, same side of distance, but that problem is a pentagon. This problem is hexagon. Okay, same problem, but shape is a different hexagon. Okay, in this way, you observe the here. With the help of the compass, you measure the distance and you draw the arc. And now, what are the points are there front view? Same points in that place also. The help of the scale, in this way you draw the lines and you extend the lines each point to downside below the reference line. Same here, first simple stage, first stage top view to here also we extend the lines. In this way you identify the points wherever the points are there. Second stage front view and top view same. Now with the help of the scale you join the points. Okay, that is second stage. That is second stage. Now third stage, with the help of the protractor, inclination to VP 45 degrees. Inclination to VP 45 degrees. Now you measure the same distance here with the help of the compass. Wherever the points distance is there, A to D1 and B1 to C1, F1 to E1, A1 to D1. Same here also you identify. Okay, in this way you join the all points. This is the inclination VP 45 degrees. Now you extend the lines here with the help of the scale. With the help of the scale. Okay, in this way. Second stage front view to also same. Now you identify the points here. What are the points are there? That is the incline to third stage front view. Third stage inclination 45 degrees 45 inclination front view. Okay. Next problem. A cone diameter of base 50 mm and height axis 60 mm is resting on its base on the HP such a way that apex remains 45 mm above the HP and the plane of axis making 30 degrees to VP. Draw its projections when the apex is away from VP. Find its inclination to the base with HP. That means here 50 mm and 60 mm axis resting on the HP. Apex is remains 45 mm above the HP. The axis making 30 degrees to VP. We need to find out the inclination HP. Okay, here first we draw the one reference line and then you draw the circle 25 mm radius. In this way you identify the points here. This is the center point. This center point to first you draw the one circle here 25 radius. We divide the 12 equal parts or 8 equal parts and then you identify the names this circle. You extend the lines center point to each point on the reference line here. Axis distance, axis is center of cone is the here. In this way you draw, that is the cone. Okay, pyramid. Now this axis is inclined, one of side is on the HP, that's why you draw here first one side O to E dash or O to apex distance is they are given the apex point distance. Okay, that is the apex distance. Above the HP they are given the apex distance, that's why we draw the one horizontal line and then E to O dash you identify the with the help of the compass the distance. In this way, that is the above HP 45 mm is there, then that is a 45 mm apex distance above HP and then you draw the arcs here in this way. Okay, what are the points are there front view, same here also we identify the points and then you extend the lines below the reference line each point here in this way. Next top view also first simple stage or first stage top view also lines in this way every point you extend here. Okay, you identify the points A dash, A and B, C, D, E, F, G, H. These are the points. Okay, now you join all the points, that is the points apex points, that is the apex O point. You join the points all here. Okay, with the help of the scale you join the in this way. In this way, okay. Okay. Now that is the hidden side. That's why we need to draw the dotted lines. And next, this second stage top view incline to VP. Incline to VP. That is 30 degrees. So this axis is inclined to VP 30 degrees. Need to draw the axis line here 30 degrees to XY this way. This XY this is a parallel line, XY reference line. Here is also same, or you directly draw the inclination, you measure the 30 degrees to reference line, 30 degrees to XY line. Okay, this is the both methods are same. In this way is the correct, or directly you draw the reference line to axis line, that is a 30 degrees. Okay, in this way you join all the points here. Same whatever the points is there, second stage top view, the same points also in this way 30 degrees. And now you extend the points here from VP, extend the points in this way. Okay, now points are you identify. Okay, now with the help of the scale you join. Okay, this is the cone pyramid. Okay, inclined to both HP and VP. Prisms and pyramids, both solids are inclined to HP and VP. Okay, I think all are understand easily. Thank you for listening.